So here we are, part two with Ruchi. Ruchi, thank you for coming back again for
My
all
pleasure.
of us. So
Thank
we're
you.
going to take this question again now. So where were we? Were you giving us the tips to feel powerful?
Feel confident. We finished powerful to feel more
Be
confident.
finished powerful. Okay. Oh, there, that one. Okay. So how can we keep our confidence intact?
Yes,
That was the one. So yeah, take it away. Tell us about confidence, especially during this difficult time.
absolutely. So, I wanted to say that nobody's born confident.
Hmm.
It's not something that you are born with. It is something that can be acquired.
Hmm.
It's confidence is a skill that can be learned in your life at any stage. Don't feel
Hmm.
that because you were a shy child or teenager, you can't be a confident adult. You most definitely can be.
You
It's a
can.
skill like any other skill that can be learned. All
Hmm.
you need to have is a growth mindset, which means that you can, with effort and practice,
Hmm.
develop new skills and intelligence and whatever you wish you want to. So I have a few steps that I usually share with clients on helping them develop the skill of confidence. And the
Right.
first one, which I think really is the key, but before that, is ask yourself, why do
Hmm.
you want to feel more confident? That's
Hmm.
a very important question you need to ask yourself before
Hmm.
you get on this tips and steps of getting confident. Are
Hmm.
you keen on feeling more confident because you want to, or
Hmm.
is it because someone else has told you?
Hmm.
Because if
Hmm.
you're doing it for somebody else, it's never going
Hmm.
to really come from within. It's
Right.
not going to be something that you're going to be able to master if and until it happens from you, from
Hmm.
inside of you, that yes,
Hmm.
I
Hmm.
want to be able to stand up for myself. I want to be able to be a
Hmm.
confident person and conquer the world.
Hmm.
So step one for that is practicing visualization.
Hmm.
Basically just implies is practicing being a confident person, like how they say practice makes perfect,
Hmm.
practice makes progress.
True.
Try speaking with confidence, visualizing yourself as a confident person in front of a mirror, in front of somebody you're close to,
Yes.
someone
Yes.
who is not going to judge you, who's going to love
Right.
you whether you're sounding strange or not. It will
Right.
give you that confidence to go ahead with it. So,
Yes.
that's
Yes.
a very important first step to
I do
getting.
that a lot, Ruchi. I do that a lot with my work. So there does not have to be a script. There does not have to be anything. I would just stand in front of the mirror and with my eyes wide open, shoulders back, straight back,
Lovely.
and I would just talk. And I think I do this every morning, and it has helped so much.
Brilliant.
Rightfully said, no one judging you, and you
Yes,
just gauge that better you. You can just bring it out.
absolutely. It's a
Yeah,
it's a safe space
a
for you
very
to
valid point.
learn that new skill in your life.
Yeah.
Another one which is has a lot of debate every time I speak on it is fake it till you make it. So
Right.
it's people have different views on using this skill or using this mantra of fake it till you make it. Some
Right.
believe it's wrong, some are okay with it. I've been
Right.
using it for a while and I feel it's okay with it. And
Yes.
I was so happily surprised to read about the same thing written by Facebook fame Sheryl Sandberg in her book Lean In. She says the exact same thing.
Hmm.
It's okay to fake something so
Hmm.
that you can make yourself let it happen for you. Like
True.
another tip on being able to fake confidence till you make it is, if you're stuck in a situation where you feel you would like to have more confidence, think of a person in your life. We all have
Yes.
role models, we all have people we
Yes.
look up
We
to.
all do. We all do.
Exactly. So think of that one person who is your role model or someone who's a
Hmm.
confident person in your life. How
Hmm.
would they react in this
Hmm.
similar
Hmm.
situation? What
Hmm.
would their behavior be? you
Right.
know Ape that. And it's okay if you're not feeling confident inside. It's okay to portray that confidence till you
Hmm.
feel it both outside and inside. This is a
Hmm.
journey. Life is
Yeah.
all about learning
Wow.
and
Yeah.
growing and
Yeah.
doing new things.
Yeah.
It's a part of
And
that.
making mistakes and learning from those
Exactly.
mistakes. Yeah.
Mistakes
Yeah.
are important. Just yesterday, I'm so glad you said that. Just yesterday
Yeah.
in a session with a client I was talking to, and I told her, I said, mistakes are important. Don't be
Yeah.
afraid of
They
them.
are.
Look forward to making them. They will help
Yeah.
you grow. So it's
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah.
It's absolutely fine.
Yeah. People
Another,
listening to Ruchi, sorry, and Rags, please know this. Please make your mistakes and please highlight your mistakes out because it's perfectly fine. We are
we're
all
human.
human at the end of the day. Yeah. So we have to learn and we have to evolve. So it's just like bringing a child up, isn't it? So they
Absolutely.
learn. Every time they fall, they know they don't have to make that mistake. So we
We
all
get
have to
up.
encourage.
Yes.
Yeah. Sorry. Go on, Ruchi.
No, not at all. And now the next step in gaining this confidence is looking after your physical and mental health. So, self confidence is a combination of physical, emotional, and mental health. When you feel good inside, when you look good outside, it instantly gives you that boost of confidence.
Hmm.
Don't feel that, why should I pretend to dress up, or why do I need to dress up? It's absolutely fine. Then there's nothing wrong with looking after your physical appearance. It
Hmm.
is going to make you feel better. Like,
Hmm.
it happened to me recently. I live in
Hmm.
Singapore, and Singapore,
Hmm.
almost everything was shut for about 6 7
Hmm.
weeks, and
Hmm.
I hadn't even got my hair blow dried for that
We
long.
haven't got it living in Dubai now. Salons have opened, and I know my friend who runs this beautiful salon is going to be watching this, and she's going to say, "Raki, just get up and just come."
So I'm telling you, I actually did go on 2 3
Yeah,
days back because I
yeah.
was like, I need to just, there's nowhere to go,
I'm
but I just
so
want to
happy
blow dry
you
my hair
shared this. I'm
for
so glad.
myself. And
Yeah.
I believed it instantly gave me that feel good factor.
Hmm.
I'm not
Hmm.
ashamed to say it. It's
Yeah.
looking good is important for me. And I'm
True.
sure it's important for most of us.
Most of us. Yeah. Most of
Don't
us.
feel ashamed if you're
No.
looking after taking care of your appearance.
Hmm.
Equally important to take care of your insides, of your mental and
Hmm.
emotional health. The way
Hmm.
you look after your physical health, look after your internal self as well.
Yeah.
The next
Yeah.
tip for me is help others. The
Hmm.
minute you are able to do something for somebody else, it
Hmm.
gives you that feeling that if I could make a difference in somebody else's life, I could
Hmm.
add value to somebody else's life. Imagine
Hmm.
what I could do to mine. It is
Hmm.
very confidence boosting. And
Hmm.
try it. It gives you that sense of feeling good. And the minute you feel good, you start feeling confident. That's the
Hmm.
beauty of it. So
Wow,
focus
Ruchi.
on all the
Hmm.
things that make you feel good.
Yeah, yeah.
Finally, my final step on feeling confident, uh, learn to say no. I think that is one of my most important favorite tips. Learn
Yes,
to say no,
yes,
set
yes,
boundaries. No
yes.
is a complete sentence.
Right,
Don't
right.
have to scramble for excuses. You know,
No.
if you focus on yourself, the
Hmm.
minute you start saying no to people's wishes and desires, you
Hmm.
free up time for yourself to
Hmm.
focus on things that are important for you. If you're
Hmm.
so busy only running around because you haven't been able to say no to people
Hmm.
and their wishes, where's the
Hmm.
time for yourself? Where's the
Hmm.
time to work on anything about you?
Yeah,
So learn,
yeah.
say no. There's nothing wrong.
Ruchi, I have to say this. I think a lot, many of us, because see, Dubai is a very social place. We're very socially active with all these parties and, sessions after dinners. And I can't say it on our official channel, but this is what it is. But because of this whole pandemic and COVID and all of us being, in our
Lockdown.
houses, in our homes, locked down, we have this whole new way of looking at ourselves. So there's so much, for example, that I'm discovering about my own self on a daily basis. And you are absolutely right, because I'm so self focused at the moment, I'm able to do so much more productive stuff that otherwise I would never even have thought of, let alone imagining it. Look, you can only imagine if you think of something. I would never even think of it in the
Yeah.
wildest of dreams. So, you're right. I think somewhere down the line, this whole pandemic has brought in a lot of, like people are rightly saying now, all these gurus like yourselves are saying, go inside, introspection. I think all of this has happened and it's like such a new us now.
Everything in life, even this
Yeah,
pandemic, not its very bad aspects of people dying, of people
yeah,
getting sick, but it's also got its good
yeah,
things with it
yeah,
in world. In
yeah,
globally, it has changed the
sure.
pace of interaction of
Right.
human beings who are basically social beings have suddenly been locked up. It's
Yeah,
bringing out a
yeah,
very different side of humankind, of mankind, which
yeah.
we didn't expect we would have to discover, but we have discovered thanks to
We
this.
have, yeah, we've done well, I think, and we should be grateful for Zoom, Instagram, IGTV, all of that, Facebook, there's a long list. I can't thank everyone, but in short, all these media circuits now, we have to be grateful. Are there
Absolutely.
any more tips or can we move on?
That's fine.
Yeah.
That's all.
You were great. Thank you, Ruchi. Um, my next question. How can we find the essence or quality of a good life to feel fulfilled? Now, I really love this question too, because these days I'm feeling this, like, I'm going to relate it to the point that I just said. I feel full. I feel whole. I haven't felt like this. And I have no shame. And I'm not going to deny saying this. I have not felt the way I'm feeling about myself in 30 days. So,
Wow.
can you please explain about this? We want all our viewers to know.
You're saying, how can we find the essence of life? The
Hmm.
essence of life is you.
Yeah.
You are the essence of life. You don't have to look outside of yourself. You want
Hmm.
to find the essence of life, focus on your life.
Hmm.
Focus on nourishing, nurturing,
Yeah.
loving. I keep saying this all the time. You, as a human being, as we as people, we are our worst critics.
Right.
And again, I will go back to research, which says
Yes.
no human being in our lives has ever spoken to us as badly or as meanly as we talk to ourselves in our thoughts.
Hmm.
We
Hmm.
run our lives on the narratives, on the stories
Hmm.
we tell ourselves.
Hmm.
What is that story? What is the story you're telling yourself? What is
Hmm.
the story you're running your life on? Every
Hmm.
time you talk to yourself, your self talk, is it you badgering yourself? Is it
Hmm.
you telling yourself how bad you are, how incompetent you are, how you can never do anything right? Or are you being kind? You want to
Right.
find the essence of your life. Begin with being kind to yourself.
Hmm.
The
Hmm.
minute you be kind to yourself, the minute you adore yourself, the minute you become your own best friend, you will find the true essence of a fulfilled life. And that's
Yeah.
literally as
Yeah.
simple, but it's very hard. It's today if I
True.
tell you, Raki, stop complaining to yourself, stop saying anything bad. You won't be able to overnight. It's a
Hmm.
journey, it's a process.
Yeah. It takes
Start
a while.
it takes a while, and another way of even beginning on it is every time you have a thought where you're not being so kind to yourself, it's okay to say stop. I say it even
Hmm.
now. If I
Yeah. Of course.
know my thoughts, I'm being unkind, I say stop, Ruchi. That's
Hmm.
not true. Somebody
Hmm.
else must have said it. Why are you saying it to yourself? You
Correct.
need to focus on your self-talk. Make
Yeah.
sure you are not being your worst enemy.
True that. True that. I'm hearing my maid say this to me these days, and I want to say this on the channel. She's been saying, actually, nothing moves you these days, madam. She's actually telling me this. She
Love.
says, you're becoming this different person. So when she said it to me the other day, I actually looked myself in the mirror. Now I was like, whatever I'm doing, this place where I'm at, I just need to keep being here. This is it. So I know, I mean, you are much more enhanced with this whole thing. And when you say you're still doing it until now, which is so cool that you're saying this to us, all of us are facing this. We're all going through this rut in our heads because, again, connecting to where we are at now, this place where we are at now is so dangerous for our mind, you know. And I'm seeing my people go wrong sometimes immensely because they're being so harsh on themselves, with people losing jobs, with the salaries being cut down. And it's okay to say it out on this channel because we are all living through this time right now. We're all in this together.
We're all in this together, exactly.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
it's something we have to work on ourselves
correct,
forever. It never
correct.
stops.
Never
So
stop. Yeah,
if when you say that you will feel fulfilled if X, Y, Z happens, no.
yeah, no,
You will feel fulfilled when you are feeling good.
yeah, yeah,
When you are focusing on you and
yeah,
not on the 10 things in your life.
yeah,
That's the
yeah.
essence of feeling fulfilled.
True. Ruchi, your thoughts are like a rainbow. Before we move on to our last question of the day, I have to say this. So colorful, so vibrant, and so powerful. So, more power to you. Thank you for giving us this time. To our last question now.
Absolutely.
What are your last parting words? Any golden rules to embrace, to have a fresh mindset?
So it's almost like reiterating what we discussed
True.
just
Yeah.
now. So my last parting words. You want to feel good, feel fulfilled, confident, powerful. Focus on having an attitude of gratitude,
Hmm.
being kind to yourself,
Hmm.
loving yourself like you are your most favorite human. There's nothing wrong in giving yourself importance.
Yeah.
It's actually needed. It's
Yeah.
just, I don't know how more to stress on. Be kind to yourself, trust yourself, have faith in yourself. And
Yeah.
finally, stand up for yourself,
Hmm.
learn to say no. These
Correct. No one else will. No one else will do this for us.
only
Yeah, I
you
realize
are.
this. I realize this. We have to set our boundaries, viewers. We have to set our limits and our lines. No one else is going to come there and, feed this for us and say, So, yeah, thank you, Ruchi. Your insights have been super powerful. And somewhere also, I have to say, super peaceful for the mind to listen to you. So,
Absolutely.
I'm sure that we want more from this, all of us. Ruchi, do you quickly want to tell them your Instagram page? I will be pushing this out on that. I will be tagging you, but just say it now.
My page is called coach.ruch, and that's short form for Ruchi Parik. So I look forward to interacting with you on my page, Coach Ruch. Thank you.
100%. I will bring them all to your page, and we'll also have a Zoom again, and also a live on IG. I think we should totally do it.
Look forward to it. Thank
For
you.
sure. Have a beautiful evening, Ruchi.
Thank
I will wait for you
you.
to exit.
Yes, thank you so much.
I hope you guys had fun. I hope you enjoyed my interview, and I loved doing this session with Ruch. I'm going to see you very, very soon. Channels are open. One with Rags. You are on my page. Stay on the page and let's all feel powerful tribe. We are in this together.